In this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain to your Systeme.io account. First, open your browser and go to Systeme.io. Log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down until you find Custom Domain and click on it. Now, you will see a field where you can add your domain name. Type in the domain you want to connect and click Add Domain. After you add your domain, Systeme.io will show you some CNAME records. These records are needed to connect your domain to Systeme.io. Next, open a new tab and go to your domain provider's website. Log into your account and go to the section where you can manage your domain. This is often called DNS settings or manage DNS. In your DNS settings, look for the area where you can add a CNAME record. Copy the CNAME records that Systeme.io gave you and paste them into the fields provided by your domain provider. After saving the records, go back to Systeme.io. It might take a few minutes or up to 24 hours for the connection to complete. That's it. You have now added your custom domain to Systeme.io. Thanks for watching.